again, today po, i-share namin sa inyo ang napakasarap, napaka-yummy na Kabuli Pulao Biryani. And this is an Afghan style version of biryani. And this is beef. So ito po yung aking kapatid, ayan, na napakatakaw. And ito po yung aming niluto. This is homemade, guys. So may napaka skillful na nagluto po ng biryani na ito. One of his masterpieces ang paggawa ng Afghan biryani na ito. So ito po, and then ito po yung aming salad. Ito yung aming salad, and we have ginger here, ginger leaves, and cucumber, at ano ito? And this one is our sauce. This is our sauce. This is made of plain yogurt and cucumber also, and fine chopped onions. So please join us as we eat. Aking kapatid na gutom na gutom.
I'm so hungry.
And if you want to know how we cook this, please watch this video and let's eat. So in preparing our Afghani style beef biryani, for now we have to saute our garlic first. That is our garlic. And this one is our additional ingredients. That is the raisins, cashew nuts, and our carrots. So they will serve as our extra toppings later. And this one is our garlic. So let's fry it until it is golden brown. And let's add the onions. Let's add our onions, more tastier. Oh naman. To make your beef biryani very special, this is the secret. One of the secret, we have to saute the garlic and onions together until it is golden brown, because you know it will extract the flavor if you saute it this way. Well, it takes a little bit of time, because you know if you want to eat something nice and delicious, you have to put some efforts and patience. Okay, now let's add our tomatoes. Wow! You can see the texture now. So now we have sauté our onions, garlic and tomatoes. Now we have to simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes to extract the flavor. Ready, and we are going to add our special ingredient here. This is the pilau biryani mix. Pilau biryani mix. So that is the secret ingredient, guys. And, wow, so this is the pilau biryani mix. So that is a sample brand, Pilau Biryani. So if you are here in the Middle East, you can buy this in the supermarket. Okay, so now our mix is ready. We put 20 grams of that beef biryani mix. Now we are going to put our beef. So beef in pressure cooker, guys. So it will be very soft. So we use the pressure cooker. It's also one of the secret. If you want to make this, to make this at home, you have to use the pressure cooker. So your beef will be very soft and tender. That's very easy. Only to saute the garlic, onion, and tomatoes, and then once it is caramelized together, we are going to add our pilau biryani mix, which is the Afghan style, and then after that we are going to add our beef in pressure cooker. So we use 1 kilo of beef. We used 1 kilo of beef, and only 20 grams of that pilau biryani mix. Wow, so you see it's really easy. So this is now the update of our biryani, and this time we are just going to this beef with our sauté ingredients. It's already like cooking for about 20 minutes. We only added the pilau biryani mix, and now this one we added salt to taste and black pepper. And now we are going to add our basmati rice. That's basmati rice. Okay, now let's cover this one because it's ready. It's ready. And this one we are going to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes until it is only half cooked. It's only half cooked, right? Because we are going to cook the rice also together with our beef mix. Okay, let's wait. So now we transfer the beef into a larger pan, and we only cook the basmati rice for 7 to 10 minutes because it should be half cooked. Because the second process is we are going to cook it with together with the beef. It will only take for another 5 minutes. Yeah. It will take only, guys, another 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. Ang bango-bango na. Ang bango-bango. Ang sarap-sarap. I'm so excited. At this moment, while waiting for the rice to cook, the biryani, our biryani, I'm also waiting for my sister because we are going to eat together. This will be our salad for the biryani. This is our additional, our salad for the biryani. And this one is our prepared sauce. So this sauce is only made of yogurt, plain yogurt, onions, and cucumber. And then add with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And this one will be our added toppings. Our added toppings later for our biryani, so it will look colorful and more delicious. And this is another eating time with us, with my lovely sister. And the last time we are only showing you that we are eating in a restaurant. This time this is a homemade beef biryani, Afghani style beef biryani. Another secret for cooking the biryani, guys, we have to add food coloring. So that's only a normal food coloring that we use here. Ayan, so para makulay na makulay siya. Because without the food coloring, so our biryani will be, it looks like pale. Okay, and then cover it again without mixing it. Okay, and then now because it is ready, we are going to add our prepared carrots. That is our carrots, and then the raisins. Wow, ang ganda-ganda ng kulay. And then our cashew nuts. Very easy to make. It is simple, but it is a satisfaction because it is cooked at home. Ayan. I'm so excited. Now we are going to mix it, and we are going to check the beef. Ayan, slowly lang po ang ating pag-mix para hindi madurog yung rice. So we have to mix it slowly. Wow naman. So, is it cooked now? We have 13 minutes. Wait, let's check. Let's check. Let's try. Let's taste also if the salt is okay. Pwede na. Pwede. Ang ating rice, ang basmati rice ay malambot na. Tamang-tama lang, hindi siya durog. And also our beef is so tender. Oh, this is how it looks like now. Our final product of our Kabuli Pulao Beef Biryani, Afghanistan. And now we are going to have our dinner. Perfect! Tingnan mo naman oh. Anong petsa na nagmumukbang pa ng ganito. So this is how we eat. We love using our hands while eating kasi mas nakaka-enjoy. So, hindi kami sanay kumain ng nakakutsara. And magkakamay po kami. This is how you eat. And then, let's add our sauce over your biryani. Like this. Ganyan. And then, kukuha po tayo ng ginger leaves. Napaka-sustansya ng ginger leaves na to. Mapait siya. Mapait siya pero napakasarap. Ang dami niyang health benefits ha ng ginger leaves. Ayan o. So last time sa restaurant kasi ay chinop nila, it was finely chopped kasi akala nila ay lettuce. So ito talaga yung ginger. Alam ko na ang leaf na to oh.
Buti na rin si chef nagluto ng carbon ng pasta.
Kainin ko. Ganyan. Walang hot talaga.
Hindi ko tapos yung pangit.
Masarap.
Kaya na lang mo daw ng sinagwelas. Better.
Ang sarap naman ito.
Nakakita nilang baon. Pang isang team.
Ito po pala yung baon ng kapatid ko tomorrow for her lunch. So, siya lang po ang kakain nito. Lunch and dinner. Mega shout out to my new Diamond members, Stars Gamuza and D18 Nuyuru. Thank you so much for registering on my Diamond membership. Thank you so much. Mega shout out. Ayan. Guys. Please subscribe. This is ginger leaves. Maganda ito sa katawan. Maganda sa katawan at sa panahon ngayon. Mura pa. Piso lang ang isa.
Parang feeling ko lasang
Originally ng Arab, ano to diba? Originally from India. This one is originally from India, but I started to like this one also. Very nice with biryani.